days ago, I received my fabric. I was so pretty and it's called. I actually have no idea what I'm going to make. I'm really surprised. I actually saw everything. The whole project is super fast, like 2 hours, get done everything. I didn't know the very detailed part, like sewing, the cuff part, and the part is really take quite a while. So I just think the hoodie, when you make the hat, the hood part, you really need to be careful when you trace it. So because they are kind of like a 2-layer like this together, so I just skip the other layer should be longer, and I skip that. I redo it and spend more time. So supposed to spend about 4 hours to finish this project. I spent hours. The very hard part is the hat part. It's super hard. I tried to sew and every neckline was like, So let's talk about something really hard part and cause any kind of issue during when I make the hoodie. Hoodie is very cheap. I mean, the fabric is very cheap, so the cost total is very cheap. But it's my DIY craft should be worth more than that. So I'm just thinking, okay, fine, just make a hoodie as a birthday gift. Why not? Honestly, I never made a hoodie. Someone's birthday is coming around the COVID-19 time to get something on budget. So let's go to see my DIY hoodie jewelry. Nice. Okay. I really hope you enjoy my video. If you like it, subscribe